So, trying to be quiet because she's in another room. Here's a sneak peek of what some of the stuff that came in. Excuse the mess. I'm still in the middle of renovations. Italian Motorsports, full titanium exhaust. Haven't done the downpipe until I can figure out what to do with it too. Yeah, once we get to the garage, I'll show you the rest of the stuff that came in. So now I'm at the garage, about to put the Super on the lift. Actually, I got something to show you. I was trying to get another dyno reading. The other one was reading off, and then at the end, it turned out it wasn't even reading the fucking torque and stuff. So, but yeah, so this is the shit I got so far. CTS intake. What is eventuri? If I'm pronouncing that right, I probably butchered the hell out of that. Headlight intake. And Titan Motorsports. Titanium exhaust. So yeah, I'll go ahead and get that on. I'm gonna get this raised up and then I'll show y'all what's going on. But when they put in the straps on the straps on the rear and everything, so when you're doing on the dyno, they're that freaking leveling sensor right here. That right there connects to there. There's supposed to be a rod that connects to there. When they run it on there, I mean, there's really no other place. There's really no other place for them to really strap onto that's sturdy. So when they strap onto it, it hits that rod. So this is what the rod's supposed to look like. And what happens is they sell actually, Viscotti actually has a replacement. But for people, just giving people heads up, that yeah, that shit breaks. So got it on. I gotta figure out how to do this damn actuator. So The OEM one. It's right here. But the actuator's right. So my GoPro decided to die on me. Yeah. So actually looks a lot better with the low light. I gotta figure out how to get this plug over to here. I ain't tightening this down yet. So let me see if I think it comes down from here. So let me get that plug over there, and I'll let you know. All right, so got it over here. So what you do is just take out these couple of screws, these two, push this back a little bit. There's gonna be tabs that's holding this in. You just pop them off, feed it through here, bring it up through here. Got the intake, TTS intake. Exhaust done. You start it. It's just say sport on the dash.